I'm Rob Evans from the Clinton Shoprite, and we have an exciting event going on today with Mark Valli from Norwescap. He's here today bagging for hunger, helping out all those in need, and it's just a great event. We can't thank Norwescap enough for being part of it with Shoprite.
My name's Jeannie Colalillo. Today is Bag Hunger Day. So we've invited local celebrities such as Mark Valli from Norwescap, and they come today and bag groceries to speak to our customers about the issue of hunger in our community.
I'm Mark Valli, I'm the CEO of Norwescap, and we're today here at the Shoprite in Clinton to celebrate Hunger Action Month. What we know is that particularly now with economic challenges, with inflation, gas prices, all that families are challenged. And so today is a day to remind everyone that while we've gotten through the pandemic for the most part, there's still this economic challenge that people have to face to be able to feed their families. So we're here for Let's Bag Hunger Day with Shoprite to make sure that we're sending the message that people still need help. Food security is real, it's growing right now. Our numbers indicate that, national numbers indicate that. So we need everyone's help, and that's why we're here today. It's a fun way to get a message across. We're at work making sure that we're bagging groceries for customers. Shoprite is an amazing partner for us. They donate food, they raise funds for us. We could not do the work we do without the support of Shoprite, its amazing employees, its dedicated ownership. So we're really lucky to have them as partners. But today is all about making sure that we're getting the message out that hunger and food insecurity is very real, it's growing, and we need everyone's help.